you'll notice there's no cabinet below the drill press. That's because, and I noticed this before when I was using smaller drill bits, but I remembered, this base plus the adapter plate plus the really tall cross-slide vise means that sucks up most of the distance. I can't get, if I have a piece in there that tall, I can't get a drill bit in and out without moving this bottom piece, which I didn't want to do because then I finally got it centered. So the easiest thing was to just take, it's not attached, I just have to empty it, raise this up, take it off. Yeah, so I will have to figure out what I want to do with that. So this part was just a lot of fitting, taking out, cutting some more, fitting, taking out, cutting some more, repeat, fitting, cutting. You get the idea. At least I have the tools to do the cutting, and turns out I have to get it in from the side and angle it around the edges of the very front piece, and then I finally cut it up enough that it fit and it worked, and oh my goodness. Well, after a lot of struggle in cutting the openings bigger, I managed to get the cabinet back in without shortening it, so we'll go with that as a win. So it's down lower, which is good, and the cabinet's back in, which is good. So yeah, that was not planned, but at least I got it sorted.